Annyeong chingudeul. Today I'm going to do another unboxing. It is a pocket battery. Brand name is Iwalk because I usually go outside for my business meetings and play volleyball, so I need this pocket battery. So I'll show you what's inside. Let's open. Bought this through coupang, and I like this one because you don't need to connect through USB, so it's should be directly connected, and it's very small. You can see iPhone용, so it means only for iPhones. I prefer color pale pink. So cute. Look. And so handy. And it comes with the USB port for charging. It's C type. And then when you charge it, you just remove the cover cap and then return it like this. So cute. So I have to charge this so I can use it later. So to charge it, I have to connect it like this, and then I have a spare one. So I will put it here and I will just plug it so it would be charged. And then later on, this is the power button. Let's charge first. I saw the manual behind the box, so after we charge it, we just charge the iPhone like this. Okay. So now I'm going to test my old phone. Let's see if it's work.
A few moments later.
See? Oh, it's working. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great weekend. Annyeong!